Hello everyone, I'm back again doing another mail time, and except this time I'm using screen recording, so this will be a better quality, and I only have 15 minutes to do this, and I have like 60 gifts to get through, so we better just get started. Again, I'm going to start at the bottom. I have like 56 gifts, probably, yeah, 56 exactly. I'm going to see if I can get through all of them. I'm going to try to, but no promises, because I only have 15 minutes to do this. I should be able to get through it in 15 minutes, but I might not be able to, but I probably will. I go pretty fast. Anyways, the first gift is from 223535 Love, said, I'm feeling generous. You are one lucky duck today. I think you guess I am. Rare dragon mask. Thank you. This is from Bala333, and they sent me a mystical amulet. Sassy Third Eye said Animal Jam Rocks. Well, yeah, that's what everybody does. But they sent me Jamal Day leg armor. Thank you. Gingerbread Unicorn said this is from Beta Days, and sent me a necklace. Yes, it is from Beta Days. Very much so. This is kind of laggy today, guys. Sorry. Esfin Fluttershy said, I really want your spike. Yes, I bet you do. And sent me a rare turtle shell. Esfin Fluttershy sent me a smiley face and sent another gift. And they sent me a rare hockey mask. Wow, I've never seen those before. Thank you. This is actually really laggy, sorry guys. Beppet said broadcasting here. Okay. And sent me a rare stethoscope. I actually used to get a lot of those. What? Oh, okay. Anyways, the next one is from Cheetah II24 said, hello, your epicness, be loyal to Bepper. And it's really lagging because I clicked on the gift like 5 minutes ago. This is really laggy. Wait. Really laggy. And it's been doing okay, anyway, it looks like a glitch now. Yeah, just I'm gonna have to reload the page. This I can't have it be this glitchy the entire time. This is gonna take up a lot of time. Wait, so I have to reload. Sorry guys. It's a second, gonna have to reload the page. It's being really glitchy right now.
If it'll let you, it must have to get onto a new tab.
This is not good.
Hopefully it'll be better. But
Yeah.
the mouse is like glitching though.
No, it's like really glitchy.
Mm-hmm.
Oop. Oh my gosh, why did that drain so quickly? 88%. Shiny. Okay, let's go back to my den now and try this again. Meanwhile, we're wasting time, so hopefully this works this time better.
Probably clicking all the way down to the bottom.
I'm sorry, but I'm starting to bottom. Okay, Little Dog 1121 sent me a golden samurai helmet. I seem to get at least one of those in every single one. Wallbit23 sent me Lucky Tea Set. Wonder Wolves said, hey, I hope you enjoy this. Rare raccoon tail.
That's what the one is.
Oh, that is? Oh, I think I can come back like a rare. Sorry. I'm sorry, person. I'll keep you. Thank you very much, Wonder Wolves with a Z. I'm gonna send you something back later. Puppy Dog Lover 71 said thanks. So to something something and sent me a rare heart one.
Oh, that was the ramp. I remember
that. Jammer 0QDDM sent me rare dragonfly one. Carly loves turtles, said hope it helps, and sent me rare homemade wings.
Oh, those are ones I done
Anyways, Fluter, No, Fluter, because Flutter we have two T's. Fluter 95 said okay here.
With a smiley face.
Eclipse tail ornaments. Thank you. M.47 sent me a phantom mask. Thank you. And go see Nemo. You're supposed to see him. XX Arctic Falling XX. So this is scary. Me no like it.
Oh, this one.
And like, yeah. Oh yeah, this is scary. Yes, okay. And yeah, that's my favorite customization right there. That thing.
Especially when you put
I would never wear that. Gemma sent me sparkly shoes. I know, I have some of those sparkly shoes. Hadia 103 sent me a rare flower bracelet.
Yes.
Yeah, I know that. I saw that. As I said, I'm going to try and finish all of them, but I might not be able to. King Cool 567 said, good job. It'd be fast to get through these if it wouldn't lag so much in between them. It's really lagging. I know. Like, it starts out not so bad, and then it starts lagging. And you think glitching. So, yeah, that's what happens.
It's like super bad.
I know. Like, I might have to, like, go down there and, like, do the start of their video and, like, have it plugged in or something. 5 pairs of... What is it with people sending me nerd glasses? Oh, that's the giveaway person. Never mind, I still have 4. Okay, guys, just like, you know, somebody did not just randomly send me these, although someone sent me something more than that randomly. Wonderwolf sent me even something more than that, but this, I want a giveaway, and I got rare nerd glasses. So, actually, this is for me winning the giveaway, but still, they did kind of send it, but I want to from doing nothing. Okay, guys, this is gonna have to... I'm gonna have to end this video right now and finish them in a second, but this is just lagging way too much. And this is I'm not going to get this done in 15 minutes, which I want to. So I'm just going to have to end this video and do a second one. So I will be finishing them, but I'm going to do a second one where hopefully it won't lag as much. So, yeah, thank you for watching this one. There will be a second one I'm about to make in a second. So, yeah, I'm just going to end this right now, and I'm about to make a part 2. Bye!